welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jessica Stalker. I'm a real estate agent here in Beverly Hills and I talk all things metaverse. Today, I am really excited because I'm opening up my Oculus headset. And yes, I know I'm gonna get some hate because Meta or Facebook is not a very accepted topic right now. I know Zuckerberg isn't everyone's favorite person, and Facebook or Meta is not everyone's favorite company. And not to worry, they're not my favorite either. I just wanna explore what this looks like. So I'm opening up my box. As you can see here, easy setup, open the box and jump right into VR. No PC console, wires or external sensors needed. Wow, pretty. I don't know if you can see. This is what it looks like. And ooh, we have the actual headset here. So let's see how long it takes me. Oh, and there's directions here. It says step 1, unplug the console, press the power button, and then put it on. Is it really this quick? Let's see. Oh, there's a charging. Apparently you have to charge it. Let's see if I can get it on in one take. Let's see. Take this off. Right? Power it on. Jeez, you would think that I would be better at this. Where's the power button? I can't find the power button.
A few moments later.
Goodness gracious me. Where is the power button?
2,000 years later.
Okay, hopefully, oh, I think this is it right there. Okay, of course, I couldn't find it because it doesn't look like it'd be the power button. Oh, it's dead. Damn it. Okay, just kidding. It was actually already charged. It came charged at 54%. So now we're gonna remove these on the hand things. I don't know how to work this thing. So these are Oculus Touch controllers and they actually have a lot longer battery life, so I've heard, than the other ones. Okay, so you put the goggles on. Okay, now it turned off again. Oh, here it is. Okay, and another quick note, you guys will need a Facebook account to sign up for this because it's run through Facebook. And you also need to download the Oculus app on your phone. Once you download the Oculus app on your phone, everything is set up with your virtual headset on. So you put this on and you start setting it up. It's on. Wow, interesting. I can hear it. I don't know where I hear it, but I hear it. Wow. Oh my God. Device setup issues. Use this code to pair your headset to the Oculus. Okay. Oh my God, my avatar is so cute. Ooh. I'm pressing the A button to navigate. And I guess here you can pair your headset, but I already hear something. I don't know how I hear it, but I hear something. Check clarity. Okay. Check my clarity. Adjust your lens. Okay. So you can adjust your lens by taking this off. I'll show you guys how. Whoa, it's so weird being there and then coming back out. So you can adjust your lens, these things. Oh, that's how you hear it, because there's a little headset thing right there. If the screen is blurry, remove your headset and move the lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Oh, okay, you move them to the left or to the right, and that's how you find. Oh, there you go. You move them to the left and to the right. You can adjust it that way to make sure that it's clear. Things are. So you guys, right now, while I'm in the world, I wish you could see, maybe I'll have my editor put it in. I can see my two councils, whatever they're called. I can see my two hand pieces right here while I'm in this little world. And it's all white. When I look around, like everything's white. And then I just see this little hand that's teaching me how to move the lens and adjust the lens. And I'm selecting continue. And now it's white again. And now it's black. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is literally so cool. Like, you guys, you have to get this. I know, I'm sorry, I don't support Meta, but I just want this. They have the coolest thing out right now, so I had to get it. By the way, even if I can't see the camera, but even if you don't support Meta or Facebook, I still think it's cool to just check this out because you want to be on the forefront of innovation. Like, you don't just want to sit behind while all of this happens. You want to stay up to date and learn how you can educate yourself and how you can benefit from this technology moving forward. Please select Wi-Fi. I don't think I know my Wi-Fi password. Damn it, what's my Wi-Fi password? Okay, and then after you guys do your password and you have it all set up for your Wi-Fi, it's connected, there's going to be a little bit of a safety video, and that's just kind of showing you the parameters, and you're basically spacing out the area where you're going to be walking around so you don't get hurt in the process. You don't walk off your balcony or, you know, cause any damage or fall over, break your ankle, break your head. What's my overall review of Oculus Quest 2 headset? Honestly, I used it for about 30 minutes and it kind of gave me a headache. I'm not gonna lie to you, it kind of gave me a headache. I get motion sickness really easily. I can't picture myself working on there, or I don't even know if I can picture myself going to a concert for like more than an hour with where the technology is at right now, just because I did get a little bit sick. So I'm not sure how they're gonna work on that. I know they're definitely working on making headsets and glasses to where they don't make you nauseous. So I'm excited to see what those look like because we're still not there yet. And some cool things that I will note that it comes with is, I guess it comes with a glasses spacer. If you wear glasses, no need to fear because they have something that helps. Okay guys, so this is it for now. Let me know your guys' thoughts. I had a really fun time. Like I said earlier, it gave me a headache. I've used their other headsets before and I have always kind of felt nauseous. So I hope they really do something with that and they fix that. And I think it's because I don't use this often. I'm not like living in this virtual world and I'm also not a gamer. So I don't really have a reason to use this as of now until they have actual events in there and maybe like shopping and stuff. So I hope you guys have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you get your Oculus headset and let me know your thoughts on it. I promise you guys, it is one of the coolest experiences I've ever done is be in a virtual reality world. It's so cool. I love it. Hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.